So welcome everybody to our booth here in Cersaie, Bologna. We are Eterno Ivican and we will show you today our installation for the new Prime support. We are glad to present you our new support among our range of products. Our installer are just going to begin with the installation. We will show you the advantages of this new support, which will be included in our range of products, which is, as you already know, composed also of SE and M. The main characteristic of this support is, of course, the self-leveling head and the possibility to stock just 3 supports instead of a numerous range. So we only have the Prime 1, Prime 2, and Prime 3. So with just 3 supports, we can cover a wide range of heights. You see through our clips, we will begin. The first one in the row is the Prime 1, so the smallest one. The medium is the 2, and the last one you will see is the number 3, which covers the maximum height. So with this support, we will cover the height from 30 centimeters to 30 millimeters to 420 millimeters. Let's see how easy it is to install them, also with our then check it. We are now posing the tiles, ceramic tiles. Of course, you can use it with stones, marbles. Through the regulation keys, you will adjust the height easily, also from above, and also when the tile is already put on the supports. Even in this case, the tabs are easily removable and are available in 3 sizes, 2 millimeters, 3, and 4 millimeters. I remind you, this is our new product, the Prime, and you can also find all the information and details in our website, www.eternoivica.com. The website is updated also with our new catalog for 2022, just renewed, revised, and new graphics. The advantages of this support is, of course, advantages in stock, because here we've only had 3 kinds of support and not the whole series. The self-leveling head allows us to compensate a slope of up to 5%. As you can see in the video, our plan is not perfectly planned, so the head just do everything for us. We are going to place the first row with the Prime 1, then 4 rows with the Prime 2, and the last one will be Prime 3, the greatest and the biggest. Quick regulation. As you can see, so they have already made for 10 tiles. Even in this case, the Prime support can be used for outdoor installations such as swimming pools, gardens, and all you need for that. I quickly remind you also our other series, SE and M, the Woodex series for the aluminum joist also. The head, even in this case, is composed of rubber, anti-slipper rubber, also to avoid noisy scratches or something which can disturb you. And now we will place the final row with the prime 3. This kind of system allows us to put water flows, cables, everything we know. But most of all, the problem of the not planned surface. The self-leveling head just helps us in this method. Voila, the third row is done. We have placed 15 tiles, ceramic tiles, just check the last one there. And now everything is finished. You see how quickly and mechanical it is. Our installer now will test them, of course. You see, both of them. Everything is already done, perfectly planned, perfectly solid. We thank you once again, our best installers, Sandro and Tony, for the help, for the demonstration. We kindly thank you for your attention, and we will wait you here in Cersaie. Or please contact us for any kind of doubts and questions at www.eternoivica.com. Thank you once again. Have a great day.